Welcome to this introduction to 3DESIGN version 12. In the next 15 minutes, we will explore the main features of 3DESIGN, enabling anyone, even those completely new to jewelry computer-aided design, to confidently start designing their own creations. First, what is 3DESIGN? It's a professional, user-friendly software designed specifically for jewelers. 3DESIGN simplifies complex tasks and creation processes, allowing your creativity to shine. Let's start by navigating the interface. 3DESIGN features an intuitive workspace that ensures quick learning and seamless design flow. You will find essential tools well organized, making the design process natural and efficient. Let's start with the main page, which appears as soon as you launch 3DESIGN. At the top, you will see an icon showing a ring with a plus sign. Move your mouse over this icon and one left click to start a new project. We are now in the 3DESIGN modeling area. I will show you step by step how to navigate the software and create your first designs. First, imagine dividing the screen horizontally into two parts. On the left, you have the modification area with the construction tree, which saves each step of your project. This allows you to select and modify elements at any time. On the right, you have the creation area, providing all the tools you need to design your jewelry. Understanding these two areas is essential to using 3DESIGN efficiently and easily finding the right tool when needed. In the center, you have the 3D view, where you can interact with your objects and watch your creations developed in real time. We'll now focus on the right side to create your first projects and learn how to navigate using the mouse. In your toolbox, we have organized two main sections: Solid Tools and Jeweler's Bench. This organization groups all your tools logically, just as you would organize them in your own workshop. Here, you see the Solid Tools section, containing all the tools you need to create shapes, cut objects, measure, and much more. Then, Jeweler's Bench, with all the familiar tools specifically designed for jewelers. This area will feel most comfortable to you. Let's start by creating a ring size. Left-click on the ring size builder, and then window appears, showing properties that allow you to customize your tool. For example, choosing a European size with in the list 54 for the size. I can confirm with the green mark. And now, if you look at your construction tree, you'll notice your first step, the ring size. You can always edit or modify this element by double-clicking it with the left mouse button. Now let's go back to the Solid Tools section. To perform an action in 3DESIGN, simply use the left mouse click. I will create a sphere by clicking on this tool. Then, I will position the 3D object precisely in the center by clicking the centering button. Using the keyboard, I set the sphere radius to 1.5 millimeters and I can confirm using Enter from my keyboard. Now let's look together at how you can navigate and move around the 3D view. To rotate and navigate around your object in 3D, you will need to learn a few mouse movements. Rotate. You can rotate freely around your creation by holding down the right mouse button and moving your mouse. Zoom. To zoom precisely on a specific area, position your cursor where you want to zoom. Then use your mouse wheel. Scroll down to zoom in. Scroll up to zoom out. If you ever feel lost in the 3D view, you can quickly reset your orientation by left-clicking the Home button located on the compass at the top left corner. The compass helps you navigate quickly through your project in 3 dimensions. Simply click on the colored arrows to easily switch between the front, top, or side view. Let's continue our project by moving the sphere into position for our 3D design. First, select the sphere by left-clicking on it. The sphere turns blue, indicating the object is correctly selected. Next, switch to the front view by clicking on the green arrow on the compass. This helps us move the object accurately. To move the sphere upwards, we will use the Move Rotate Scale tool from our toolbox. With the Move tool activated, you can left-click and hold the blue arrow of the manipulator and drag it upwards. You can also enter an exact value, like 9 mm, into the Z-axis property field for greater precision. The software shows this value both in the 3D and in the Properties window. Confirm your new position by using Enter key or the green check mark. Now we can duplicate our object around the ring size. First, select the sphere again by left-clicking on it. Then, from the toolbox, choose the Circular Duplication tool. You need to select the rotation axis. To do this, click on the double arrows and choose the Y-axis. This ensures the objects rotate around the correct axis. Next, enter 30 copies in the Properties panel. You can use your keyboard for that. Finally, confirm your action by clicking the green check mark or use Enter. Now we need to cut the parts of the spheres that are inside the ring size. To do this, we will use a special function called Trim to Finger Size, located in the Jeweler's Bench. Go to the Jeweler's Bench, select your duplicated spheres, and click on the Trim to Finger Size tool. The software automatically recognizes the ring size. Simply confirm by clicking the green check mark to view your result. Congratulations, you have just created your first 3D design, and you can look at it in using the manipulation like the rotate and the zoom and see this first ring you have been able to create with 3DESIGN software.